Good evening. It was decided to do an event in Dubai on the 23rd of September. It was a Friday. By popular demand, we have shifted this event to 24th September, the Saturday, so that it would be convenient for you people to attend. So I'll be in Dubai on the 24th of September at 6 p.m. Hope to see you in Dubai. Those desirous of participating in the Dubai event can contact us at the WhatsApp number given below or mail to the email ID given below. We will see you in Dubai. Kindly drop us an email or send a message on the WhatsApp number. Good evening. As we did with Dubai, we decided to move the event in Abu Dhabi also by one day to Saturday, so that instead of 30th September, we'll have the event on 1st October. So I will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those living in Abu Dhabi need not take the pain of traveling to Dubai. We will see you in Abu Dhabi on the 1st of October. Those who want to see me in Abu Dhabi may drop us an email at the address given below or contact us by the WhatsApp number that flashes below. My team will get in touch with you. Thank you. Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today I want to talk about battery cars again, this time with a twist, in the sense that Japanese companies had not talked much about making batteries. All the while, Japanese companies have been talking about making hybrid cars. Hybrid cars are cars which start with petrol or gas and then convert on to battery. My brother had a hybrid, and the problem with hybrid cars is when you switch gears automatically, or when the power drops, when it switches from gas to battery, automatically AC power drops. The Toyota engineer told me this is a typical only India level problem because they are using Suzuki technology. Suzuki and Toyota have a worldwide tie up, and he was telling me Toyota's hybrid technology is better. But while all this may be, the last 2 days in Japan has seen a lot of activity in battery manufacturing. The South Korean Chibol LG and the Japanese car manufacturer Honda have announced that they will do a joint venture. And in that joint venture, they have decided to invest $2.6 billion in making batteries. This clearly tells us that Honda is definitely going to look at a battery car venture. And they have talked about numbers of cars by 2030. There are also rumors that in India, Honda Scooters is going to launch a batteryless electric vehicle where the battery is available for swap at every charging station, and it is going to be a subscription basis where the client is going to be charged money for the amount of battery he has used, nothing more or nothing less. I personally don't think this will work. Owners need to own batteries, not swap them permanently on a subscription basis. Of course, Honda has a lot of experience and maybe they can pull it off. But this is Honda in India in a two-wheeler market. The global LG battery plant is definitely for making electric cars. So have the Japanese finally agreed that the hybrid model is not going to work and they have to have a complete battery unit car. That's what it looks like, that the battery unit will move to battery unit car will become definitely is going to be a reality, and the Japanese are going to make electric cars. The biggest Japanese company the biggest Japanese company making cars is of course Toyota. On the heels of Honda and LG announcing that they are investing $2.6 billion, Toyota has announced that it will build an in-house power plant in United States, possibly up to 2 locations, and have said that they will invest $5.3 billion. They have already put some money in a joint venture which supplies to Tesla. Toyota has announced that it will sell 3.5 million electric cars by 2030, giving Tesla a run for money and competing with Tesla. This, I said, would be Tesla's Achilles heel because many people can make electric cars and make it more effective and cheaper. As Tatas have demonstrated, it is possible to make an electric car for 15 lakhs. Though if you would like more features, you will have to go higher, and there are 25 lakh cars available. Looks like the market for electric vehicles is going to open up big, and it is going to be the South Korean and the Indian companies which will dominate Indian market, and the Japanese companies which are very strong in auto would give up a big chunk of their business because they believe that they should concentrate on fuel injection cars. But it looks like now that Toyota, the mother of all Japanese companies, has decided that it will go the electric way and has said by 2030 it will sell 35 lakh electric cars in and outside Japan. That is a significant number and reflects the fall of interest in Japanese companies on hybrid models. It looks very clear that Japanese are going to go electric like the rest of the world. It is only a matter of time before these companies start producing electric cars which are acceptable. In India, the Nexon is an acceptable electric car with more than 50,000 pieces sold. In the current year, it is expected that 100,000 cars will be sold by Tatas alone in electric vehicles. This means that lower middle class or the middle class and the wealth who are just wealthy can afford to buy electric cars. This will change the entire ecosystem and push mainstream companies to make electric cars for markets in which they are very popular. Therefore, the Japanese have now identified the problem and tried to make solutions. It is impossible for a Japanese company now to say that they will manufacture only hybrid cars and not worry about electric cars. Therefore, it is now clear that the technology of the future is going to be electric cars. With the last standouts, Toyota and Honda agreeing to make cars. So, if the Japanese start to make electric cars which can be distributed in America, it is clearly evident that the days of fossil fuel cars is permanently shut out and domination of American cars is also likely to end because not many American cars have working car models at the price points that India and the rest of the world would like to buy. It is impossible to buy and use a Tesla in India, and therefore Tesla's market share is limited to certain numbers. And if it wants to go beyond that, it will have to tie up the financing and provide financing for these cars. And before they can really take out the profits, the Indian owners will, with their companies, strip down a Japanese company, strip down a Chinese car and copy the technology used to make battery cars. It is therefore abundantly clear that the future is definitely not going to be petrol or diesel, but is going to be electric car and maybe perhaps green energy that is being developed, and that could possibly be another game changer for India and Reliance as a company. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like the content, hit the like button, hit the like button, turn on the bell notification. If you don't turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.